What would it feel like if you had absolute certainty of your next steps for 24 hours? What would it look like and feel like? And what would you do if you had absolute certainty of your next steps, that they were the best steps for you and they were for the highest and best? What would that feel like and what would you do? I would like you to take note of that. Sit in that energy right now and take note. This is what I would be doing. This is what I would feel like. You can have that feeling, that kind of confidence, that kind of peace, that kind of knowing. You can have that. And many of us are wondering how. Well, how do I do that? And one of the ways that we do is by changing how we feel about the unknown. What is the unknown and why is it scaring us so much? Certainty comes when we're connected to us, the most authentic us. And the most authentic us is our physical part and our energy part. And the more we know about what is our physical anatomy, what are our physical gifts, what are our energy gifts, what's our energetic and physical, how are they working together? This is our compass, and knowing those best steps comes when those are totally in alignment. We can get in alignment. It's not that hard. It takes time, but it's not that hard to do. So it's about clearing the reason we're not in alignment and getting the steps, step by step, that brings us into that space. So when do we clear? How do I ground? What is this part of me and what's it look like? So this is what we're going to do and be focusing on in the next 6 weeks. Is starting up really soon. So reach out to me at janell@janellray.com so that we can get the information to you and you can start stepping into that absolute knowing you're taking the steps that are the best for you. I can't wait to meet you.